In this tutorial, I will show you how to see notes in Canva when presenting. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button and select Presentation. Choose a presentation template or open an existing presentation from your project. After your presentation opens, select the slide where you want to add notes. Look at the bottom of the editor and click the option called Notes. A notes panel will appear below the slide. Type your speaker notes in this section. These notes will help remind you what to say during your presentation. Repeat this process for any other slides where you want to add notes. When you are ready to present, click Present in the top right corner of the screen. Next, click the three dots menu in the presentation controls. Select Presenter View. In Presenter View, your screen will show the current slide, upcoming slides, and your notes. Your audience will only see the slides, while you can read your notes privately. This allows you to stay organized and deliver your presentation smoothly.